Hey guys, Brandon from EURO+PULSION. Today we're going to talk about the EuroDrive Tuning System, which is our handheld OBD2 tuning system. We'll cover what it is, what it does, and if it's right for you. This is the first episode of a new series we're doing on the EuroDrive Tuning System, where we'll go over how the tuning system works, what to do with your tuning system when you receive it, and how to install tune files onto your vehicle. Let's get started. So to start off, what is the EuroDrive Tuning System? The EuroDrive Tuning System is an OBD2 handheld tuning device that it provides increased performance and improved drivability to your vehicle. This system copies your stock file via the OBD2 port, and that copy is used by our tuning department to recreate a tuning file specifically for your vehicle. The EuroDrive then flashes that tuning file to your ECU. Our tuning maps are designed specifically for your vehicle and modifications. The handheld device itself stores up to 5 maps, as well as your stock file, allowing you to flash back to stock at any time. This method of tuning eliminates the need to remove or alter your factory ECU. As a EuroDrive customer, you will gain access to our online tuning portal after purchasing. You will be assigned your own personal folder for all files related to tuning your vehicle. You will also be given access to the tune request forms. These forms allow you to select what options you want, as well as list your modifications. All of our tune files are copies of your OEM factory file, but with tune changes made within that file. This retains all your factory mapping and vehicle information within the ECU. Any scan or ECU software check, whether at a smaller station or dealership, will display the same information whether you have a stock file or tune file on your car. All of the original vehicle information is preserved. Our tune files are developed in-house with extensive testing on both the road and dyno. We also test various bolt-on modifications and aftermarket parts for each vehicle platform in order to achieve a better understanding of how they affect the car and how they can be optimized through the tune. This allows us to craft your tune files specifically to your modifications. Every tune file we make is completely custom to your vehicle and is not an off-the-shelf tune like, say, a cob access port. The EuroDrive remaps or makes changes directly to your ECU file. This type of tuning is the most comprehensive and allows full control over all engine parameters. This is very different to alternative tuning solutions like piggyback units. Piggybacks only connect to a few sensors, typically 2, and are limited by sensor input. Even piggybacks that log or monitor OBD2 information cannot make changes beyond what sensor inputs they have. While this can be effective and easy, it does not compensate for vital changes to the engine parameters when needed. The EuroDrive system is not limited in this way. Flash tuning with the EuroDrive system allows for effective increases in performance and efficiency while maintaining reliability. It also allows us to take advantage of a number of added features which are accessible to the customer when using EuroDrive. These options include raising your rev limiter and speed limiters, pops and bangs or burbles, exhaust and downpipe optimization, dual map mode, which can remap your vehicle's modes with custom changes. As an example, most performance cars have the sport mode. The dual map option allows you to request different mapping into non-sport or other eco-like modes, which is otherwise left mostly stock, while sport mode would have the most aggressive mapping. The EuroDrive can also make more custom changes for unique setups. Some of these options may incur an additional fee. These options include upgraded turbo tuning, E85 optimization, higher octane fuel optimization, and water methanol optimization. We also offer complete custom tuning, which requires data logging and is an additional fee. So is the EuroDrive right for you? The EuroDrive system is for those who want a fully comprehensive tuning system that grows with them as they modify their car. We offer tuning maps for every kind of enthusiast, whether your car is stock and you're looking for a simple upgrade, or your car is heavily modified for the track. And if you're starting small, not a problem. As you upgrade your vehicle, your EuroDrive tuning maps can also be upgraded along with it. Every EuroDrive user gains access to all tuning features and phases of tuning that we offer. These map phases range from entry-level mapping for mostly stock vehicles like phase 0 or 1, all the way up to heavily modified or big turbo cars like phase 3 and 4. Each phase tune can be easily requested using our tune request form through your online tuning portal account. Now let's go over common questions about the EuroDrive tuning system. First one being, how does the EuroDrive system affect your reliability? Reliability is first and foremost in our tuning logic. The vehicles we tune are daily driven by ourselves. Each day we are durability testing all of our tuning maps on our own test cars. Our tunes retain your car's OEM safety logic, and nothing is overwritten that would prevent your car from protecting itself. Our tunes are designed to gain the most performance possible while not compromising your car's longevity and reliability, whether it's your daily driver or a weekend track car. The next common question is, how does flash tuning affect my warranty? The answer is, for the most part, it doesn't. The EuroDrive tuning system operates on OEM level protocols and calibrations, minimizing your tuning footprint and detection on the stock ECU. Tuning your ECU with the EuroDrive system will not interfere with standard warranty claims and other unrelated items. The only item affected by the EuroDrive tuning system is your flash counter, as it tracks reprogramming of the ECU. However, this is not a visible item normally front and center when connecting to your ECU, and to date, we've never experienced a customer getting flagged or harassed in regards to their flash counter. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or email tuning@eurocompulsion.net. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.